Welcome to Health 101. Here's our objectives for today. First, name food that comes from plants and animals. Second, differentiate food that comes from plants and animals. And third, state the importance of eating foods from plants and animals.
Good morning, class! How are you today? That's great! Are you ready for another healthy, amazing learning? Alright, now to begin our lesson for today, I want you all to stand and pick up the pieces of paper near your chair. Are you all done? Very good. You may now take your seat. So earlier, I prepared a surprise for you. Do you want to know what is it? Alright, now I want you to check what is under your desk. All done? Very good. Now, raise your hand if you got a heart. Alright, all hearts will be group 1. And now, clap your hands if you got a star. Very good. All stars will be the group 2. And now, stomp your feet if you got a moon. Alright, very good. All moons will be the group 3. Now, at the count of 10, I want you to go to your respective group and form a circle. Is that clear, class? Very good. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All done? Very good. Kindly stay within your group until the end of our discussion. Okay, class, what can you see on the board? Very good. We have here your shapes, the heart, star, and moon. This is called an incentive chart. And we have here a stick point. Do you want to get a point? Alright, so for you to get a point, all you have to do is to follow the things that you need to remember during our discussion. So what is the first thing you have to do? Yes, Monica? Very good. First is to behave. Another thing? Yes, Justin? Very good. Second is to participate actively. And lastly? Yes, Nilo? Very good. And third, cooperate with your group. Very good, class. Let's give everyone a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, class, before we start with our discussion, let's have first a recall on what we have discussed last meeting. So, what can you see on the board? Very good. These are vegetables. So, what do we call this first picture? Good job! This is an eggplant. How about the second picture? Very good, class. These are carrots. And for the last picture? Very good. This is cabbage. So what do we usually do with vegetables? Very good. We cook and eat the vegetables. So again, why do we need to eat vegetables every day? Very good, class. We need to eat vegetables every day for us to be healthy. Very good, class. Let's give everyone a wow clap. 1, 2, 3, wow. 1, 2, 3, wow.
So today, we will be going to know other foods that are healthy for us. Have you been to Jollibee? Alright, now brace yourself as we visit the nearest Jollibee here in town. Are you all excited? Alright, let's go! Wow! Finally, we are here. And it smells so good. Let's try to check their menu. Okay, what do we have here? They have fried chicken, spaghetti, french fries, burger steak, and many more. So for us to know what they are made from, let's order all of these. Alright, our order is served. Let's check this out. Where do you think the spaghetti, mushroom from the burger steak, and french fries came from? Yes, Marie? That's right! These came from vegetables. Where do you think the fried chicken came from? Yes, Albert? That's right! It came from chicken. How about the burger steak? Where do you think this came from? Yes, Joshua? That's right! It came from the meat of a cow. So what do we call the chicken and the cow? Yes, Jane? Very good! They are called animals. How about the vegetables? Where do you think they came from? Yes, Albert? Very good! They came from plants. So, what have you noticed about these foods? Yes, Erica? Very good! They are from plants and animals. Do you want to know more about the foods from plants and animals? Alright! So today, we will be playing a game called Where Do I Belong? So Teacher Dan has two boxes here in front. The first box is labeled plants and the other is animals. So teacher also have here three different colored envelopes. Tada! Teacher has three different colored envelopes. So the first color envelope, which is red, is for the group heart. The yellow envelope is for the group star. And the last envelope, which is colored blue, is for the group moon. Each envelope consists of 6 pictures of foods. And all you have to do is to group the pictures according to the type of foods they belong. So each group will be given 10 minutes to do the activity and to answer the questions given. But before we start, let's all read together the guide question or the question that you have to answer while doing the activity. Guide questions. What foods are made from plants? Second question is, what foods are made from animals? Third question is, how were you able to group the foods into plants and animals? The fourth question is, why it is important to know the sources of foods we eat? And lastly, why do we need to eat these foods? Alright class, you may start doing your activity. Good luck!
So class, did you enjoy the game? Great! So now, let's check the pictures you place inside these boxes. So let's start with the box labeled plants. Okay, let's see what are the foods that the group heart placed inside this box. Okay, we have here the first picture. What can you see? Great! It is apple. How about the second picture? Very good, chop suey. And for the last picture? That's right, it is ampalaya. So why do you think these foods are from plants? Very good, because these are fruits and vegetables. So now, let's give the group heart a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, let's go to the group star. So what can you see on the first picture? That's right, it is Mangga. How about the second picture? Great, achara. And for the last picture? That's right, it is banana. So why do you think these foods are from plants? That's right, because they are fruits and vegetables. So let's give the group star a fireworks clap. 1, 2, psh. 1, 2, psh, psh. 1, 2, psh, psh. Boom! And now, let's proceed to the last group, which is the group moon. So what can you see on the first picture? Very good, it is halo-halo. How about the second picture? That's right, it is mango shake. And for the last picture? Yes, it is orange. So why do you think these foods are from plants? Very good, because they are fruits. So let's give the group moon a good job clap. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job! Good job! Okay, can anyone give another examples of foods that are made from plants? Okay, Windali. Very good, pineapple. What else, Nursa? Great, bread. What else, Jayan? That's right, French fries. So these are also foods that are made from plants. Very good. Now class, let's also check the pictures you place inside the bags labeled animals. So now let's see what are the foods that the group heart placed inside these bags. We have here the first picture. What can you see? Very good, fresh milk. How about the second picture? That's right, it is fried chicken. And for the last picture? Great, it is corned beef.
That's right! Why do you think these foods are from animals? Very good, because they are produced from animals like chicken and cow. Let's give the group heart a fireworks clap. 1, 2, psst, psst. 1, 2, psst, psst. 1, 2, psst, psst. Boom! So now, let's go to group star, alright? We have here the first picture. What can you see? Very good, sardines. How about the second picture? Great, this is barbecue. And for the last picture? That's right, this is egg. Now, why do you think these foods are from animals? Very good, because they are produced from animals like fish, chicken, and pig. So let's also give the group star a good job clap. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Okay, let's proceed to group moon. Alright, we have here the first picture. What can you see, class? Very good, fried fish. How about the second picture? Great, this is ham. And for the last picture? That's right, this is lechon. Yum! Now, why do you think these foods are from animals? Very good, because they are produced from fish and pig. Let's give the group moon a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Now, can anyone give me other examples of food that are made from animals? Very good. Now, why is it important to know the sources of food that we eat? Very good. For us to balance the food we eat daily with enough healthy foods. Now, why do we need to eat foods from plants? Great, because it contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our body needs. Now, how about the animals? Why do we need to eat foods from animals? Exactly, because it helps regulate our body. But we should limit our intake of meats from animals, especially the parts that contains more fat like chicken skin, chicken wings, and internal organs. Very good, class!
Now, who can tell me what are the different food sources that we've discussed today? Yes? Very good! We've discussed of plants and animals as our food sources. Now, who can give me some examples of food that comes from plants? Yes? Very good! Papayas! Another example. Nice one! Some mangoes. And another one. Good job! Some cabbages. These are some examples of food that comes from plants. Now, let's move on to the animals. Can someone give me some examples of food that comes from animals? Yes? Very good. Shrimp. Another example. Nice one. Some beef curry. And another example. Good job. Yes. Also fish fillet. These foods are the type of food that comes from animals. Now, who can tell me what is the importance of these food? These food that comes from animals and these food that comes from plants. What is their importance? Who can tell me? Oh, yes, very good. So the importance of these food is that it provides our body with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals which are important for our growth and development. Very good, class! Okay, now let's all read together.
The sources of foods are plants and animals. Some of the examples are mango, cabbage, papaya, shrimp, beef curry, fish fillet, and many more. It is important to eat these foods because it gives us nutrients, vitamins, and minerals for us to be healthy.
Since you already know the sources of foods, we will be having an activity. This activity is called Raise Your Flag. Each group will be given 2 flaglets, green and orange. Teacher will present 5 pictures of foods. Raise your green flag if you think the food comes from plants. And raise your orange flag if you think the food comes from animals. When teacher says go, you raise your group flag, okay? Alright, let's go!
Number 1. Does it come from plants or animals? Raise your flags! And the answer is green. Butternut squash comes from plants. Next one. Does it come from plants or animals? And the correct answer is orange. Meatballs come from animals. Let's take a look at this one. Does this come from plants or animals? The correct answer for this one is green. Turon is made from bananas, which comes from plants. On to number 4. Does this come from plants or animals? And the answer here is orange. Steak comes from animals, specifically cows. Okay, let's go on to the last item. Does this food come from plants or animals? Time's up. Please raise your flags. And the answer here is green. Strawberries are a type of plant. Good job, everyone!
Nice job, class! Now we'll be moving away from the group activity. We will be focusing now on an individual activity. I want you all to grab a hold of your pencils, for we will be working on an activity sheet or a worksheet. All ready? Very good, let's proceed!
Directions. Encircle the picture if the food is made from plants and box the picture if the food is made from animal. Here are some examples. We encircle watermelons because they come from plants. Then we box sushi because it comes from animals. Now, here are the foods that you need to identify if they come from plants or if they come from animals. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And lastly, number 5. All good. Here is the answer key. Did you get the correct answers? Very good! See you next time, class!